Hey everyone, welcome back to another video and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over a pretty quick concept within Autocad. It's going to be a pretty quick lesson and we're going to look at how to change the text height or text size that already exists in your drawing. So this will not be how to set a new text height. This is going to be you want to change the existing text height in a drawing to something else. We're going to learn how to do that today. Real quick, before we get started with the lesson, please consider subscribing to the channel. This gives me a better gauge of the audience and viewer interest. If you like the video, give it a like down below if you find it helpful. If you think someone else would find this helpful, give it a share. And if you want to see anything else done in AutoCAD, leave it in the comments section below. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And as you can see here, we have a text in AutoCAD that says AutoCAD. And what we want to do is assume this is in the drawing already that we opened. And we want to change the size of it. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to click on the AutoCAD text, and then we're going to come down here and we're going to type properties. So we're going to come down to the command line, type properties, or you can just start typing it in. And then that's going to bring up this box, and this is the properties box. So this is going to give you all the properties of that AutoCAD text. And we're going to come down here to the text box, and it's going to say height. So we're going to come right here to height. You simply left click on the height, and then you can change it to whatever you want. So you can see it's 5 inches right now. We're going to change it to 10 inches. Click enter. And as you can see here, once you click 10 inches, it then auto adjusts to 10 inches. So this is one way you can change the height of any text field that you see within AutoCAD. Now, we're going to close this text box, or excuse me, the properties box, and we're going to zoom out. Let's say, and this word is Autodesk, right? So AutoCAD versus Autodesk. Let's say you run into a drawing that has multiple different text boxes that are different sizes, right? So you see here, this is a different size Autodesk versus AutoCAD, but we want everything to be the same size. So this is very simple to do. Instead of going through and adjusting and trying to find out what size this is, we are going to go to the match properties option. So to do that, we're going to come back down to the command line. We're going to type in match properties. And as you can see here, it's match prop. And it's then asking us in the command line to select the source object. So the source object is going to be the object that you want to match everything to. So since we want to make AutoCAD bigger and match it to Autodesk, we are going to left click on the Autodesk text. So once you left click on the Autodesk text, then it's going to ask you in the match prop selection box down in the command line to select the destination object. So the destination object is going to be the object that you want to mirror or match the Autodesk or the larger text or whatever you want it to match to. So we're going to come down here and press the AutoCAD text. And as you can see, it instantaneously brings it up to the same size as the Autodesk. This will allow you to match any similar text in a drawing to one specific size text that you see within the drawing that you would like. Alright, that's going to wrap up the video here. Again, nice, short, and sweet. Nothing too difficult, nothing too hard, but a very, very useful tool to understand the properties and match properties boxes. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.